Yes, sir.
Hello, Pastor MacArthur. My name is Andrew.
Hi, Andrew.
Is the New Testament Lord's Day Sunday in any way a replacement for the Jewish Sabbath? And to what degree then should Sabbath principles and also specific laws apply to how I spend Sundays?
Right. Very good question. First answer, no. The Lord's Day is not a replacement of the Sabbath. No. Secondly, there are no Old Testament Sabbath laws that apply to Sunday. Now, if you want a fuller explanation, which I think you probably do, this was the whole subject of a message that I gave, and I will point you to that message. Genesis 2:2. By the seventh day, God completed His work which He had done, and He rested on the seventh day from all His work which He had done. And then verse 3, then God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because in it He rested from all His work which God had created and made. When I was teaching on those two verses, when I went through Genesis, some of you remember, I gave a great amount of effort and time to that very question. So, what I want you to do is call Grace to you on the phone, 1-800-55-GRACE, and when the lovely gal answers the phone, you say, John MacArthur told me to call that you were going to send me free CDs on Genesis 2, 2, and 3. Okay? Will you do that? And they will send those. Okay? All right, Andrew.